Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on disassembling the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Today, we'll walk through the necessary steps to safely open your laptop and perform internal cleaning or upgrades. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a spudger or plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could damage your components. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep track of screws and parts. To start, power down your device and unplug it from any power source. If you have a removable battery, take that out as well. This is crucial for safety. Next, let's remove the back panel. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. There are typically about 10 to 12 screws, depending on your specific model. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing each screw in a labeled container to avoid confusion later. Once the screws are removed, use the spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components. Here's where the cleaning begins. Dust accumulation can cause overheating, so it's essential to clean the fans and vents. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the cooling fans and heatsink. Make sure to hold the fan blades in place while you do this to prevent them from spinning. Now, let's talk about the RAM and storage upgrades. You may want to replace or add RAM for better performance. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically secured by small clips. Release these clips gently, and the RAM will pop up at an angle. If you don't have the tools required for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. If you're installing a new SSD, locate the M.2 slot. Depending on your model, you might need to remove a screw to access it. Insert the SSD at an angle and secure it with the screw. Ensure you have a quote before repair to know any potential costs involved. After cleaning and making any upgrades, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws in the same order you removed them, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. If everything is functioning properly, congratulations! You've successfully disassembled and reassembled your laptop. If you encounter any issues, remember that no calls, no travel is necessary. We can help you troubleshoot remotely. In summary, disassembling your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 can be a straightforward process with the right tools and steps. Regular maintenance will enhance your device's performance and longevity. Thank you for following this guide. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.